Hello, my Dorklings. I have something. Actually, I have two things, very important. So as the title says, this is Moist Critical's fridge, like the one actually from his room. I have photographic evidence. You guys can see it here on the screen. See? See? Right there? There I am. Yes? That's me. I got it. I got it back. I stole it. He doesn't know. Don't tweet him. Don't tell him I took it. He doesn't know. Even though it's only 28 pounds, it's still pretty heavy and still a pretty large box. If you guys can see. Pretty big box. That's okay. I figured we could unbox it. We could open it right here, right now. Me, you, us, together. Box. So as you guys can see, pretty large box. I had to take straps off of the top. And we're gonna open it up just like this. We got styrofoam up top. We got more styrofoam here. You guys seeing? Oh, you guys are seeing the back. I see. Look, there it is. See? The exact same one. There's the front, glass and all. Then the other side, exact same as the side over here. Tell you what, come here. It's okay, I promise. Check it out. I didn't realize that his eyes were actually yellow in the logo. That's super duper cool. This is the side. The other side looks exactly the same. Here's the top GFuel Moist logo. GFuel Energy Formula. I think it might even have a light on it as well. We'll have to look and see if there's like an instruction booklet or something, and we'll see. Also, what GFuel mini fridge isn't complete without a 12-pack of GFuel? Specifically though, Divine Peach. Real quickly though, I have to mention something. I didn't actually steal Charlie's fridge. I know. Please save your applause for later. If you've been following my channel for a bit, I put out a short, well, sometime last year, what, like a month ago maybe now? I don't remember. Seriously though, I won this and the GFuel 12-pack in a GFuel competition. GFuel, if you're watching, hi, thank you. Glad I could entertain and win this thing. This is awesome. Charlie, if you're watching, I didn't actually steal your fridge. Sorry for the miscommunication. But to quickly recap, the competition was to dress up like Charlie and basically do a cosplay version of him. I think the competition specifically stated you could do a video or a photo. I chose to do both, and I think that's why I was one of the 3 winners to win the fridge with the thing, because there was also runners up, but I think they only won just the GFuel and not the fridge. I can't remember exactly, but it'll be somewhere up on screen so you guys can see. And lastly, if you guys want to see the video that I submitted in order to win this thing, I will have it linked in the description down below, as well as one of the corners somewhere at the end of the video. So anyways, let's get back to checking out the mini fridge. Alright, so when we open this up, there is a funky smell, which is to be expected, I suppose. There's a little bit of echo, reverb, whatever you want to call it, and then I think this is an instruction manual. What is this? Yeah, instruction manual. Basically, this is kind of a waste of time. It's a basic instruction manual in broken English. There's a light switch, there's a temperature control gauge, but the cool thing that I did find out about it is it says to plug it up for 1 hour with nothing inside, and then it's ready for use. So that's kind of cool. There are also these 2 plastic pieces that are on the inside. This one, I believe, is for like the light, I'm assuming. The light inside. We'll take a look inside in a second. Then also, we have the little knob here. It's the temperature knob. It's got like a very specific pattern in it, so it can only fit one way. Turn it up and down. So now if you guys want to come along again, we'll hook this up and we'll see what it looks like. Well, would you look at that? There's a light on the inside. Pretty neat, right? There's also this little shelf that I have to put right here, but you guys are kind of in the way, but that's okay, that's my fault. But yeah, check it out. You can turn the light off and on. Pretty cool concept, a light in a fridge. Speaking of the light, I have to have this little plate and add it to it, I guess. So it's kind of hard for me to tell, really. I think it's something like this. No? I think we got it there. It's just a little clear container, that's all it is. As you guys can hopefully see, that's where you were sitting at, in the fridge. Then we can adjust the shelf, I'm assuming. Yeah, so it's something like that. And then we can put our GFuel in there. So again, as you guys can see, here's the Divine Peach. Really good. I like it better than Peach Rings personally, but you just kind of, yeah, just like that. Something similar to that. All right, so if the math checks out, which is a hit or miss with me, looks like you can hold 15 cans on the bottom and 15 cans on the top. So that is 30 whole cans of your favorite GFuel of choice. Let's go ahead and close this bad boy up and admire its beauty. Now let's see it with the light off. Yeah, that's super cool. Anyways, I need like a table or something so I could put it up here somewhere. That's gonna be it for the GFuel refrigerator unboxing tour thing. I guess I'll post some pictures on my Instagram if you guys want to see it there. Follow me there, Instagram. It's right here. You know. That's about it. See ya.